Muthambi will appeal the Western Cape High Court's ruling to set aside Hlaudi Motsoeneng's appointment as the broadcaster's Chief Operations Officer.
The court found that Motsoeneng's permanent appointment to the post last year was unlawful and irrational.
Hlaudi Motsoeneng has spent the last year or so in and out of court, fighting two applications by the Democratic Alliance. The first was to have him suspended and charged with fraud and maladministration, as recommended by the public protector. Their second application was to have his permanent appointment as COO set aside completely. The courts now ruled against him in both applications, labelling his appointment unlawful and irrational. But the SABC and Minister Muthambi disagree with the court.
As the SABC, we have noted the judgment of the Western Cape High Court in relation to the post of the COO, and our lawyers have since decided that they are going to appeal the case, and they are studying the judgment further to find some of the things in the judgment that can corroborate what they have already found so far.
The Minister intends to file an application for leave to appeal as a matter of urgency on the basis that the decision of the judge was based on the fact that he was bound by the decision of the Supreme Court of Appeals, which then had pronounced that the public protector's report was binding on the SABC until such time that the SABC or the minister have set it aside. That conclusion by the judge, Minister, disagree with it?
We have taken note of that judgment, and his instructions as we speak are to also apply for leave to appeal against that decision. However, we are going to await the decision or stance of the employer, as you would appreciate that he did not appoint himself. He was appointed by the SABC with the concurrence of the minister.
The DA has welcomed the court's ruling, but says it's appalled by the SABC and the minister's decision to appeal.
I think that the sad bit is that the SABC will use taxpayers' money to be able to now go ahead and appeal the matter, which is a waste of taxpayers' money, because we've got a public protector report, and I think if Hlaudi Motsoeneng wants to proceed on a legal basis, he must be able to fight that him own self at a personal level.
Maimane also warned that his party will be keeping a close eye on Motsoeneng's pending disciplinary hearings. He says the party will go back to court if necessary to ensure the postponed hearings take place. Hlaudi Motsoeneng, SABC News, Parliament.